The stepper motor can be controlled through the motion function built into the LP series. Each LP series product can control two motors. Related drawing ladder programs can be downloaded from the Otonix website. The model name of this HMI is LP-A104-T9D8-C6R. The model name of the stepper motor driver is MD5-HD14. The built-in positioning function of the LP series supports only the one-pulse drive method. Turn on the 1/2 CLK function selection switch of MD5-HD1 to change to one-pulse input method. The model name of the stepper motor is A3K-S545. Connect the power of each product. The overall wiring diagram is as shown above. Connect 5 VDC to CW plus and CCW plus terminals. To match the potential, connect the 0V terminals of the two power supplies to each other. Connect 24 VDC 0V to the output card of LP-A104. Connect Y0 of the LP-A104 to the CW- terminal. Connect Y2 of the LP-A104 to the CCW- terminal. Download the drawing program. Download the ladder program.